Attention, attention. If you arrived here, it's because you, like me, have been scammed by one of the thousands of online jewelry and precious metal auctions. This YouTube channel was established to inform buyers about the multitude of scams perpetrated at this very moment on each and every online auction site and social media platform. As you listen to this message, an honest buyer somewhere is being swindled and ripped off. We want to prevent you from being that victim. Never pay premium prices for junk jewelry or fake gold or silver ever again. This YouTube channel has many helpful videos with hints and suggestions on what to do before and after you have been scammed. So relax, listen, and let us help you navigate the choppy waters of buying online jewelry and precious metals and never again be a victim. Would you be tempted to buy a 100 ml, 999 fine gold-clad bar such as the ones on your screen? At first glance, they may look impressive, but does the thin layer of gold have any value? Mil-clad bars often feature iconic images, like the buffalo from the American buffalo nickel. Don't be fooled by familiar images, patriotic symbols, religious metaphors, and inflated gold purity descriptions. Remember that the .999 fine or 24-karat descriptions only apply to a micro-thin gold layer, not to the entire bar. Such misleading descriptions serve only to create a false sense of value in an otherwise inexpensive piece of metal. Could you even visualize the thickness of 100 ml? If not, you really have no basis on which to make a purchasing decision. According to an online definition, a mil is 1/1000th of an inch. 100 ml would therefore equal 1/10 of an inch or 2.54 millimeters. But does this definition have any credibility? A 1-ounce fine gold bar is approximately 2 millimeters thick. Now compare a thickness of 100 ml cladding to a 2 millimeters bar. As you can see from the illustration on your screen, a 100 ml cladding is multiple times thicker than a common 1-ounce gold bar. Manufacturers of mil-clad products don't accurately describe the gold content of their bars. Some manufacturers now even boast a 500 ml clad. Do you think the clad of a 500 ml bar would be 5 times thicker than the 100 ml bar? Or are the manufacturers just making up measurements to sell more product? How much actual gold is in a 100 ml clad bar? Just consider the bar's overseas purchase price of $2.50. How much gold can you buy for $2.50? To make matters worse for novice gold buyers, use of the mil-clad description is not regulated or standardized. In short, manufacturers of bars with mil-clad descriptions can simply make up whatever values they want. There are no policies, standards, and no consumer regulations to police term. The bar 5-micron bar now on your screen may be the one with the most honest description. Cladding designated in microns, which is a microscopic unit of measurement reserved for things like microorganisms, is so small, we cannot effectively illustrate it on this slide. Mil-clad metal products are shiny on the outside with the bulk made up of inexpensive metal or alloys. These bars are fine for hobbyists and specialty collectors but may not be suitable for individuals who wish to accumulate quantities of real, solid gold. The economies of the world are facing significant headwinds, a trend that will persist for decades. These challenges will force many individuals to resort to fraudulent, dishonest, and criminal activities. Subscribe now and don't miss any of our future segments that detail fraud in the gold and silver markets. Future segments explore specific tricks and tactics used to deceive buyers, fleece jewelers, and even defraud coin and bullion dealers. We will also demonstrate the capabilities of various precious metal testing instruments and techniques to help prevent you from becoming a victim. Unsolicited material sent to this channel becomes the property of the owner and will not be returned. Please understand that we cannot answer questions, respond to requests, or offer opinions regarding any specific consumer issue or dispute. Our limited resources are sufficient only to focus on future video segments. Please like, share, subscribe, and support.